The Remington Pearl Styling Collection. Curling wand, dryer, and our fastest, smoothest straightener with ultimate ceramic and real pearl. For sleeker, glossier, healthier looking hair. Look in the mirror and say, "Okay world, here I come." Remington.
Okay, now I'm going to section the hair. What you don't want to do is to take a section that's bigger than about 3 centimetres. This side of the appliance, where you can see the open chamber, has to be facing the head. You then take the section, place it straight across inside and clamp down. When you clamp down, you need to let go and you're going to hear it rolling into the chamber. You're also going to hear the beeps, and we're going to get 4 beeps before it's ready. When you hear the beeps in succession, that means that that curl is ready and you can release it. And you can see how I'm taking this a little bit higher, especially around the front section. So I'm going to go again into the hair, let go, allow the beeps. You get 4 beeps when you're working with 10 seconds. And when you release, make sure you open it up fully and allow the curl to release like that. So what I'm going to do first of all is to just put her head back and rake through the hair very gently with my fingers, so you can see incredible volume and definition that you're going to get on this type of hair. And there you have, fantastic.
Try the one-step hair dryer and volumizer to dry and add body. The unique oval design is perfect for extra lift at the roots and smooth curled ends in up to half the time. One-step styling and